Hi everyone, this just arrived new flashlight. This model is Sh5104 Cree XML T6 LED. In the box we have these chargers with the battery, lithium ion, and one flashlight. I'll show you the brightness. We have 5 mode. This bright, then we go for the medium, low light, fast strobe, and slow strobe. And this is with the zoom function too. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. So I'll show you how it's zoom. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. So this is the flashlight. So if you're interested, please go to our website